Hi, I am Alex Van Kurenberg. I'm from the University of Colombo. I'm a medical student and also I'm a committee member of the Sri Lanka University Catholic Student Movement. Today we are at the end of another very useful workshop organized by the International Movement of Catholic Students. So I'm very grateful for them about this workshop because in this workshop we were able to learn how as a university student in Sri Lankan community, how we can have an impact on the problems of the society, the real problems. We learned how to be a true leader with the Catholic spirit, and also with the through Catholic values, how we can have an impact on the true problems of our society. And we learned about these leadership qualities that we can gather. And I would like to thank this movement, the international movement, for this great opportunity that has been given to us for our Catholic students, the university students, to get an idea about real leadership qualities and how we can practice them in the society. So I would like to thank them all. Thank you very much for this opportunity.